My parents, hindi po sila good terms. So they separated when I was still a kid. And hindi sila okay, lalo na sa work, career-wise. My dad was a watch technician. He lost his job. When he lost his job, yung businesses namin nawala din. Kasi my mom had an arcade shop, may computer shop kami, meron kami...
Oh, bongga pala eh.
May mini grocery store kami, or sari-sari store, meron kami
Ay, aircon ka pala eh.
Hindi. Nung bagets ako.
Wow,
nung
may
bagets.
grocery pala kayo eh.
Sari-sari store na lang. Sari-sari store. May sari-sari store kami nung bagets, tapos arcade, and then computer shop. And then also my dad has a job at the same time. Pero nung nagkahiwalay sila, nawala ng trabaho yung tatay ko, nawala na din lahat. So we had to transfer to a relocation site. So from living the life, ayun, lumipat kami sa probinsya where we had to struggle. Like every day, hindi namin alam kung saan kami kukuha ng pangkain. Nag-uulam ako, Miss Cara, ng chichirya. And then, yung mga pinagprituhan ng baboy, yung oil, yun, lalagyan lang namin asin.